Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and press the notification bells button. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, my regular regulars. I cannot wait to share some exciting news, where I've been, what I've been doing. Okay, it is called Cosmashica, okay? Cosmashica, I see it in lights. It is gonna be the next big thing. Okay, so basically that is my new brand, and that is where you will find me across all social platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, just search up Cosmashica and you will find me there. All things beauty, all things me. And basically I'm launching something new, which you will find out about in my next video, right? So please hit the notification bells button so you can see what's up in the next video. What am I launching? All right, right now I'm doing this look, so I hope you generally enjoy it. Okay, so if you can have a look, I did on one side of my eye and now we are going to recreate it on the other side. So I have used my Maybelline New York, the Nudes. This is the palette I used. It is a lovely palette. I just got it recently and I have used it about 2-3 times. So I actually wanted to create a matte look for you guys. So I have already done up my face, so I just have to basically do the eye for you guys. This is our first color, right? So we're doing a matte look. We're not using any of the shimmeries. So let us just see what we can do with this. Nice, very pretty. So I dragged it along lightly on the inner, but I went a little heavier on pigment on the outer corner, as you can see there, right? Perfect. So now with the matte looks, the aim is not to sweat. Less is always more, but precision will get us much further. Okay, I want to use some of my Kryolan Derma color in the color D12/64. This is my concealing color, right? So it's a brighter color that will allow me to just add a concealer before actually putting my nude. So let's just add that. So if you notice, I don't really take my concealer all the way to the end because we want to keep that smoky look at the end. Okay, that should do it. Let us get into which color I used for this lighter version. I only used 2 colors, okay? So let's see. I used this color right over there, right? So I hope it translates the way it did before on the other eye. And then I tried to do those little circles I told you about, just to fluff it out so it's not too cut creasy. It looks a little blended and a little natural. What do you think? I think that looks good. I think that looks absolutely stunning. Perfect. Okay, we see that. Now I took a eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner is my go-to, you know that. So let us just try to get a little bit of this liner. So I slightly took it up. As you can see, I did a bit of like a wing. So I'm gonna try to recreate this wing on the other side too. So if you've seen my channel before, you know that I'd usually hold myself and kind of pull to get that straight line, but I've already done up my face and I'm not trying to reblend and add finger marks all over my foundation. So I'm just trying to really do it freehand at this point. Good. Looks good to me. That looks perfect. Let us get into the mascara. So our mascara is just a regular bottle of mascara, not brand specific, but it'll work for us. Nice. So because it is a winter look, the nude look, the matte look, I'm not gonna do the false lashes because I think it's really nice to have that natural look sometimes, you know, where it really looks like you woke up like this, even though you just, you know, did a little bit of tweaking, touch-ups. And I mean, I didn't even do my brows actually. I haven't touched them up, I haven't filled them, I haven't carved them, I haven't concealed them. So this is just really like that natural look that looks like you kind of just having a chill day, but you really look beautiful and flawless at the same time, right? Okay. Here's a little hack because I actually had done a under eyeliner, but I don't have one right now on me. So I'm actually gonna use, like, from the same palette, I'm gonna use the black eyeshadow if it's matte. Let's check if they've got a black eyeshadow here, and I'll add it on because, like, that is what makeup is about. So I'll add on this black. It's all about being able to be like innovative and like flexible in terms of what you can actually do with what you have. That already looks good. That looks good to me. Wow. Perfect. Okay. Now I had bought two products that I want to introduce you guys to. These are my two favorites right now. I just got them from M.A.C. It's the M.A.C. This is the M.A.C. Retro Colors. So it's in, this lipstick is in the color Burnt Spice. I'll doubt you'll see that, but Burnt Spice. It's a good bridal look. It's a good nude lip. Not shimmery, just nude matte. Very nice application. And then I've got a highlighter called Gold Deposit, okay? Okay, so Gold Deposit looks something like that, right? It's really nice. So I'm gonna actually be applying these two products on my face just to show you guys like what they're like, right? So before I can apply my highlighter, you know that I like to apply it on top of a wet, dewy face. So I have to use my Maybelline New York Lasting Fix setting spray. That is the setting spray I've been using. It's a fave. It's really nice. So just close your eyes about 10 to 20 centimeters away from your face. A few spritz. And there we go. Nice and dewy, right? So now we can take a nice fluffy brush like this one right over here. It's nice and thin, not too hectic, nice and light and fluffy so that we can do our highlighting. We can do our highlighting. Let's see. Ooh. This looks really nice. And then also just at the bridge right over there, like between your eyes, like on your nose right there, and then you can just like drag it down a little bit like that. And then we can use some also for the chin. And this is what photo finish is about. And then I like to do it on the, what do they call it? This part, that hard part, cubics, something. That part. And then we can run it around the lip line. Just there on the lip line. I hope that this light is catching this highlighter, because girl, I'm glowed up. I'm glowed up right now. I'm so glowed up right now. Like, for the purposes of the shooting film, I'm adding a little extra so you guys can actually see the tone, but I think you guys get the gist of the situation. And then we can just add a little up top, up above the brow. I know we don't have a defined brow, but just to add a bit of glow to our look, right? Good, that's really nice. That's really nice. And then if we're trying to be extra, go in with that little brush that we're using for our eyeshadow, dip in and do the corners. Right, this just adds that extra pizzazz for the pictures. Yeah, so not too visible, but the glow will show when you're taking pictures, okay? And then our lippy, let's see. Let us see. So I primed my lip with just a regular lip therapy, and then we can go in with our matte. Ooh. That is crazy. That is crazy beautiful. Let's just fluff out our highlighter. Because too much is bad, but too much unblended anything is horrible. So even if you put too much of something, as long as it's blended into the rest of your face, girl, you're fine, okay? It'll look intentional. It'll look like stage makeup or music video or photo shoot, or you know, it'll just show the way it should. But as long as it's blended into your face, it doesn't look like you put something on by mistake or too much. Perfect. So pretty. So pretty. I even wanted to dip into a bit of a maroon just to line my lip with a maroon. Let's try to see a bit of like color. No, ombre lip things. It's really pretty. It's not necessary, but it's nice just to have that definition around your lip. I'm so happy with how this turned out. Like proper nice. Super pretty. Okay, that looks so gorgeous. All right, we are all done. What do you think? All the angles, like you catch me, like you don't catch me slipping. Like it's the look. Like don't we look like just the cutest little Cosmashica Barbie doll? Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure that you comment, you like, you share, you subscribe. If you've made it this far, clearly subscribe. And honestly, I hope to see you in my next video because I'm launching something very special. Don't miss out. Hit the notification bells button so that you can not miss. Like, this is gonna be big. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be amazing. So I don't want you to miss out. So please hit the subscribe button and make sure that you are along for this Cosmashica ride, okay? Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you, my Cosmashica queens. And I will see you in another video. Bye.